Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. School is back in session and in some places COVID cases are on the rise. So school leaders are taking some steps to keep their hallways and classrooms clear of germs.
That's right. Many school districts are reviewing and reviving their precautions to avoid the outbreaks and shutdowns we've seen in the past. Rosalind Freeman was in Monroe County today to see how that district is taking a proactive approach. And she joins us live from Hamilton. Rosalind?
Monroe County School District just welcomed students back to campus Wednesday, and they're trying to make sure one familiar guest doesn't return: COVID-19. Hamilton Attendance Center Principal Michelle Stevens says she never thought in her 25 years of education that educators would have to be on high alert about health on campus. But the past 3 years have been different than anything most teachers and administrators have seen. Thanks to some government funding, Stevens has helped combating the unwanted germs.
We did purchase with ESSER money. Each classroom has a fogger. So we do fog our classrooms on a weekly basis. We also fog our buses down and then different areas of campus.
With the campus of over 630 students from kindergarten to 12th grade, Stevens says that thanks to her staff, her campus has avoided outbreaks.
Hamilton has never had to shut our campus down for any length of a time because our teachers were really good about, following protocol to make sure we spread students out in the classroom.
One way Monroe County schools have taken precautions is by adding family nurse practitioners on campus for testing and wellness checks for students and staff. And nurse practitioner Alicia Parham says a few simple rules help keep everybody safe.
Really, we just want to keep doing the normal things that we do: hand washing, covering our mouths. If we're sick, stay home, and be seen and just get tested.
And just a reminder, the school policy states
if they have been exposed to it at home, but they're not positive, they can continue to come to school. If they test positive, they stay home for 5 days, and then once they're symptom-free for 24 hours, they can return after that.
Monroe County Schools Superintendent Chad O'Brien says that they will continue to follow CDC guidelines in the case a student or staff member contracts COVID-19. For now, telling your story in Monroe County, Rosalind Freeman, WCBI News.